In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use picture-in-picture mode in Brave browser. Picture-in-picture mode is one of the most useful features available in modern web browsers. It allows you to keep a video visible in a small floating window while you continue working, browsing the web, reading documents, or using other applications on your computer. This makes multitasking much more convenient because you don't have to stay on the same tab to keep watching your content. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of enabling and using picture-in-picture mode in Brave browser. To get started, open the Brave browser on your computer and navigate to any video that you would like to watch. Once the video is playing, make sure it is visible on your screen and ready for playback. Next, move your cursor over the video and right-click anywhere on it once. Depending on the website, this may open the website's own video menu. After that, right-click on the video a second time. This will bring up Brave browser's video-specific context menu, where you'll find additional playback options. When the browser's video menu appears, look for the option labeled Picture-in-Picture and click on it. As soon as you select this option, the video will separate from the web page and open in its own floating window. You'll immediately notice that the video now appears in a compact window that stays above your other open windows and applications. This means you can continue watching your video while switching between tabs, responding to emails, working on projects, or performing other tasks on your computer without interrupting playback. If you'd like to adjust the size of the floating video player, simply move your cursor to one of its corners or edges and drag it inward or outward. This allows you to make the window larger for easier viewing or smaller if you'd like it to take up less space on your screen. Whenever you want to return to the original web page where the video is playing, click the Back to Tab button located on the floating video window. This will take you directly back to the tab containing the video. If you're finished using picture-in-picture mode, closing it is simple. Just click the X button on the floating window and the picture-in-picture player will close immediately. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to use picture-in-picture mode in Brave browser, making it easier to enjoy videos while staying productive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.